So here is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. It's 128GB cosmic grey. I've been looking forward to this so much. The specs look absolutely amazing. So let's get into this. Get my little fancy knife and let's do this. Really loose. Come back to that. So we have the box. On the back we've got the SIM removal tool. Get that out in a minute. See what's in here. We have quick start guide, warranty, obviously that boring stuff, nothing else in there. Get that off in a little bit. Right, I will be getting a proper review in about a week for this, but already I can see the camera bit has a wobble. Right, what have we got here? We have a piece of cover of some sort. We have first one, we have USB-C to USB-C cable. Looks pretty decent length. We have the new brick. It's more rounded than the S9 Plus, which I've got. Still got the push out bit. Really nice. That, I'm not sure if this is the oh, it is. It's the super fast charging one. I think America has to pay extra for that. And here's the headphones, inline mic, nice click functionality. Oh, it has more earbuds for if you need it. It is going through the charging port with another USB Type-C port, so unless you have a normal plug style port for your headphones, you need to either use those or get a wireless pair. Anything else? Nope. Is there anything in this? No, no in there. Right, so here is the phone. Looks absolutely amazing. So satisfying. Camera looks absolutely amazing. But what I've found out so far is this one up here is the 12 megapixel ultra wide, if it'll focus. Then we've got a 108 megapixel wide. Then we've got a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. We've got the flash up here, and then there's, I'm not sure if you can pick it up, but there's two others. Well, there's one there, there's one just above it, if I can get to see there, which are depth vision cameras. We have the power button, the volume keys, the microphone, SIM ejector tool where you put the SD card and you SIM in. No buttons on this side, and as I said, there's no headphone jack. There's a little mic there, charging port and speaker. It does have the normal Samsung AKG speakers. It's got the 6.9 inch AMOLED display, shoots 8K video and you can pull 33 megapixel snaps out of that footage. That bugged me. It is a beast of a phone. Does get fingerprinted pretty easily by the looks of that. But apart from that, that is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The review I will be doing in about a week to get used to it, and I will bring you another video about tips and tricks sort of, which for the phone as well. So if you would like to see that, please like and subscribe. It helps a lot, and I will catch you in the next one.